Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got. Factory 5, and there's Coyote power under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it on the lift and you're gonna see just how beautiful the bottom side is. We're gonna go drive it. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Factory 5 investment. So come on up and let's fire this Coyote up for you now. Look at this beautiful car, man. That paint, you can see a reflection, man. It looks like I need a haircut in there, man. I tell you, it is popping, it is shining. Wait till we pop the hood. Actually, I guess you guys just got done looking at the motor running. That Coyote's got me so excited. Now, we've had a couple of these Cobras with Coyotes in them, and they're flying out the door. So if you're interested in this one, you better give us a call quick because it's not gonna be here long. Stainless steel side pipes, and that's where the Coyote music's coming out. Look inside here. We got 4-point harness here, wood steering wheel, and yep, this baby's got an automatic in it. All the gauges you need there, all the upholstery looks good. Just a sweet ride here, guys. We got plenty of meat on the back here to put that power to the ground. All the chrome back here looks good. Trunk's locked, so we'll look at it later. You can look at that in the pictures. Look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Of course, we got Carol Shelby's fuel fill here that all the Cobras have on them. The car is amazing, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're buying about 40 new cars every month. So you got to keep a close eye on us. You never know what we'll be bringing in tomorrow. We've got about 240 in stock, and we own all of our cars here. So you can bet we spend time, check them out before we buy them. When we get them here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of these cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years messing around with muscle cars and hot rods, helping you pick out your dream car. Let's go for riding the Cobra. This baby is sweet, guys. Coyote power, automatic trans. It's a reverse manual valve body, real easy. Just pull it back into gear and away you go. And I tell you what, the acceleration on this thing is Wile E. Coyote fast. This thing is sweet, guys. Listen to it. I love the sound of these motors. It is so, I better put my hat in Cobra mode or I'm gonna lose my brand new Vanguard hat. Now we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Man, all the gauges here are working. Now everything will be labeled for you so you know what every switch does. And I tell you, the only switch I'm worried about is that accelerator on the floor. This thing is a hoot to drive, guys. It's got a ton of power. Brakes feel great. Steering feels great. I mean, I'm ready to go racing. I don't know about you. Listen to this beauty. Now, we're here on Saturdays, so if you'd like to come visit, we'd love to have you. We're here at 3 o'clock. Just give Tom a call. If you'd like to drive in, and if you'd like to fly in, we're only 20 minutes from the airport, and we'll actually come up to the airport and pick you up if you'd like. So call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime. He'd love to tell you all about this Cobra. Now here's the shop at 15100 Keel Street. Listen to this. We're gonna get this baby in the air now so you can see the underside and then check out that Coyote under the hood. All right, we're underneath this Cobra now and she is just as pretty underneath. You see it's got a plastic cover on the gas tank. That helps protect it. Our side to side is adjusted with this Panhard bar, fully adjustable. You can change the pinion angle up here. That's fully adjustable. The fuel filter's mounted here. Coilover's holding it up. Looks like it's got 4 disc brakes. The parking brake does look like it's hooked up. We got this big Mosier billet aluminum case here. Now those bolts right there actually put pressure on the caps there on the center section to help just make it bulletproof. And there's a 411 gear in there, and it is Posi, of course. And look at the paint work on the frame, just beautiful. I mean, it looks brand new under here. All the tin work looks brand new, and there's our parking brake cables where they're all hooked up right there. Fuel pump, that's what's supplying the fuel to that Coyote power up there. We got TCI C4 trans, SFI approved bell housing here. This is probably the baddest S bell housing on a C4 I've ever seen. That aluminum looks like it's about a 1/2 inch thick. It's all machined inside. Canton oil pan here. Looks like we got a temperature sending unit coming off here. High torque starter there. The J pipes and the side pipes are polished stainless. Our oxygen sensors here mounted in the top of the pipe. We've got a remote oil filter here. That's cool. Looks like the sending unit for the oil pressure is right down here also. Aluminum radiator. It does have a manual rack in it, but of course this thing is light enough that you don't have to worry about any of that. And there's that Coyote power right up there, guys. That baby is brand spanking new. It is shining. Look at that aluminum shining up in there. Man, it is sweet. Now, all the aluminum work up here looks good. The upper control arms here are fully adjustable too, so you can change camber and caster just however you want. And a big old electric fan keeping it all cool. Well, let's look at those wheels and tires now. All right, we got our simulated knockoffs, which were very cool. They did a great job building these because you take that knockoff off and then the nuts are right underneath there. They got them covered up nice, so they look just like GT40 wheels. Now we've got two 45 17s. Those aluminum wheels, no rash on them babies. They are beautiful. And take a look at that caliper in there. There's some gigantic calipers in there. Now that's a dual piston caliper, and that's what's making this baby stop. Now let's go to the back and see what's making it go. All right, this is where the horsepower's meeting the road right here. We got 3 15 35 17s. Again, same good looking wheel, just like up front, just a little wider. And it does have disc brakes back here. Wheel well back here, again, all the tin work is beautiful. And here's where that 5-liter Coyote music's coming out right there, guys. Well, let's get under the hood and take a look at that Coyote. All right, Coyote power under the hood, guys. You saw me out driving it. That's why I'm smiling now. This thing is a blast. I tell you, it's my new favorite motor right here. We've had quite a few cars come through here with these Coyote motors in it. It's just a hoot to drive, and who cares if it's an automatic? This thing is a blast. Now, it's got a Willwood setup on the brakes. This is a reservoir for the brakes, and the master cylinder is actually under the dash. You've got that racing Willwood pedal under there. There's not much under here. Everything is nice and neat, and they did a beautiful job wiring it up. All the wiring harnesses look nice and tight. All the plumbing looks great. The linkage there for the steering looks awesome. I tell you, this is one badass little car here, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this Coyote Cobra in your driveway.